Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use custom and other effects on Funimate. So if you want to make some awesome edits using Funimate, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can use the custom and built-in effects on Funimate using your Android device. So first, you can just download the Funimate app first if you haven't got one on your device. This is the Funimate app. You can just download it on the Play Store and then launch the app once it's done. And to start access the effects, you can just start by clicking on this plus icon. To start creating a videos, you can just tap on edit video. Here I'm going to just use a photo to edit. Let's say I want to edit okay, this photos right here. You can tap on the check icon at the top and choose the video format. I'm going to just go with the TikTok format, 9 by 16. Tap on next. And in here, as you guys can see, this is only a photo, but you can always make it a dynamic using the effects and animations on Funimate. Okay, so what you need to do first is just here you can use a keyframe, this one's right here, and then you can tab on add effects, and here you can see there are lots of category of effects that you can use for your videos or photo. Let's say I want to add this blur, this halo blur. You can just tap on it and adjust the intensity for your videos. Then you can just add a keyframe if you want to add it on the start. And here I'm going to add another keyframe and lower the intensity. Just like this. And you can click on a check icon, preview the result by putting the playhead to the beginning and play the video or photo. This will be the result. Okay, let's add another effect. Let's try another effect here. You can also add shake in here. You can see there are shake library. Let's add this flash blur, let's say. So you can just choose which part of the video that you want to add the shake. Like this, for example, you can add in the beginning or at the end. And you can also click on this effects mix to add effects. Let's say I want to add the glitch effects. Let's try this soul stuff. You can just play it to see the result, to preview this quack. So you can just choose which one. Let's go back, and here you can also add animations on the intro or outro. Let's just click on outro. In here you can combine those two. So this is the intro and outro. And so you can just explore the effects on Funimate to make your photos and videos look awesome. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on thanks. Bye.